Do you ever feel like you are doing everything right for your health, yet your body still troubles you? Many seniors watch their food, take their medicines, and try to stay active, but kidney problems quietly sneak in. You may notice swelling in the ankles, foamy urine, high blood pressure, or that tired feeling that just never goes away. It feels confusing and frustrating, doesn't it? The truth is, your kidneys are delicate filters that work every day to remove toxins and extra fluid from your body. As you age, these filters become more sensitive. Small mistakes that once went unnoticed may now create big problems. Even simple daily habits can overload your kidneys and slowly damage them without warning. But here's the good news. By understanding what habits silently hurt your kidneys, you can take small steps that protect your health, give you more energy, and help you feel safer as you age. In today's video, we are going to uncover 7 common daily habits that may be destroying your kidneys, even if they look harmless. Before we dive in, we've also uploaded some helpful kidney health guides on our website. We have good news for you. We've covered complete senior-friendly diet plans for this on theviditrack.com. The link is in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to check it out. 7. Drinking too little water. One of the simplest yet most damaging habits for your kidneys is not drinking enough water. Your kidneys are natural filters. They need fluid to flush out toxins and waste from your blood. When you drink too little, your urine becomes more concentrated, which makes it harder for your kidneys to do their job. Over time, this constant stress can lead to kidney stones, infections, and even long-term damage. Many seniors think that drinking less water prevents frequent trips to the bathroom. It may feel easier at the moment, but the hidden cost is that your kidneys become overloaded. Dehydration also makes your blood thicker, raising blood pressure, which adds even more strain. You may start to notice signs like darker urine, dry skin, or fatigue that doesn't go away. These are your body's warning signals. The good news is that small adjustments make a big difference. Aim for steady, small sips of water throughout the day instead of large amounts at once. You don't need to force yourself to drink gallons. Just enough to keep your urine light yellow is perfect. Herbal teas or infused water with lemon or cucumber are also gentle options that support hydration. By staying mindful of water intake, you give your kidneys the gentle support they need every day. 6. Eating too much salt. Salt may seem small, but it plays a big role in your kidney health. When you eat salty foods, your body holds on to more water to balance it out. This extra water increases blood pressure, forcing your kidneys to work harder. Over years, this silent strain can weaken them and lead to serious kidney disease. For seniors, this is even more risky because blood pressure often rises with age. Foods like pickles, packaged snacks, canned soups, and even low-fat processed foods hide large amounts of salt. You may not even realize how much you're eating each day. A single handful of chips or a ready-made meal can deliver more sodium than your kidneys can handle comfortably. Signs that salt is overloading your system include swollen ankles, frequent thirst, and constant tiredness. But even if you don't notice these, the damage may still be happening quietly. The solution is simple but powerful. Replace salty packaged foods with fresh options. Try flavoring meals with herbs, garlic, or lemon instead of salt. Check labels when shopping. You'll be surprised how often sodium hides where you least expect it. Even small reductions make a huge difference over time. Your kidneys thank you every time you choose less salt, because you are removing a daily burden they would otherwise carry. 5. Ignoring high blood pressure. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer, and your kidneys are one of its first victims. When pressure in your blood vessels rises, it pushes against the tiny, delicate filters inside your kidneys. Over time, these filters become scarred and less able to do their job. Many seniors take medicines faithfully, but don't realize that stress, salty foods, and poor sleep all raise blood pressure too. Ignoring high blood pressure is like ignoring a slow leak in your roof. You may not notice damage at first, but eventually it creates serious problems. Symptoms may include headaches, dizziness, or shortness of breath, but often there are no clear signs until kidneys are already weakened. The good news is that controlling blood pressure protects your kidneys almost immediately. Simple steps like daily walks, deep breathing, reducing salt, and getting quality sleep all make a big impact. Home blood pressure monitors are also affordable and easy to use. By keeping track, you spot changes early and adjust before it's too late. Your kidneys rely on healthy pressure to filter smoothly. Every time you take steps to balance your blood pressure, you are giving them the protection they need. Before we continue, we've also uploaded more helpful kidney health guides on our website. Visit thevitatrack.com through the link in the description and pinned comment for complete senior-friendly diet plans that protect your kidneys and overall health. 4. Taking too many painkillers. Many seniors reach for painkillers daily, whether for arthritis, headaches, or back pain. While occasional use may feel safe, regular use can harm your kidneys quietly. Medications like ibuprofen, naproxen, or even high doses of aspirin reduce blood flow to the kidneys. Over time, this reduces their ability to filter waste. You may not feel immediate effects, but your kidneys could be struggling in silence. Early signs may be subtle, like swelling in your feet, higher blood pressure, or foamy urine. These are warnings that the kidneys are overloaded. It's important to remember that your kidneys process every pill you take. When medicines build up, they become another burden. Seniors with other conditions, like diabetes or heart disease, are at even higher risk because their kidneys already work harder. Safer alternatives do exist. Gentle stretching, hot compresses, or natural anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric or ginger can help manage pain. Always talk with your doctor before stopping or changing medication, but never assume daily painkillers are harmless. By reducing unnecessary pills and exploring natural options, you give your kidneys space to heal and stay strong. 3. Sleeping too little. Sleep is more than rest. It is healing time for your kidneys. During the night, your body balances fluid and blood pressure, and your kidneys repair themselves. When you sleep too little, your kidneys lose that chance. Over time, the damage adds up. Seniors who sleep less than 6 hours regularly are more likely to develop chronic kidney problems. Lack of sleep also raises stress hormones, which increase blood pressure. That double strain, poor rest plus high pressure, silently weakens your kidney filters. You may notice you feel more tired during the day, more irritable, or you wake up to use the bathroom often at night. These are signs your body is out of balance. The good news is that healthy sleep habits can restore kidney protection quickly. Try to keep a regular sleep schedule. Make your bedroom calm, dark, and cool. Avoid caffeine or heavy meals close to bedtime. Even short naps in the afternoon can help restore balance if you miss sleep at night. Think of sleep as your kidneys' nightly repair session. Every extra hour of rest gives them strength to keep protecting you during the day. 2. Eating too much sugar. Sugar may taste sweet, but it can be harsh on your kidneys. Too much sugar raises blood sugar levels, which damages the small blood vessels in your kidneys. Over time, this leads to kidney disease, especially if you also have diabetes. Processed foods, desserts, sweet drinks, and even so-called healthy flavored yogurts hide large amounts of sugar. When blood sugar stays high, it creates inflammation and scarring inside your kidneys. You may notice weight gain, constant thirst, or frequent urination, but often the harm is silent until it becomes serious. Seniors are especially at risk because the body processes sugar more slowly with age. The solution is not to cut out all sweetness, but to choose wisely. Replace sugary drinks with water or herbal tea. Swap desserts for fruits like berries or apples, which provide fiber and vitamins too. Reading labels helps you discover where sugar hides in everyday foods. Protecting your kidneys from sugar is about balance, not perfection. Each time you choose less sugar, you protect your body's natural filters from long-term harm. Want extra support? Join our YouTube membership for early videos, targeted diet plans, and exclusive senior health guides. 1. Ignoring diabetes control. Diabetes is one of the most common causes of kidney disease, and ignoring it is one of the most dangerous habits for seniors. High blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys, making them less able to filter waste. Over years, this can lead to kidney failure. Many seniors take medications, but may not monitor their blood sugar closely. Skipping checkups, eating sugary snacks, or not staying active all make blood sugar harder to control. You may not feel pain, but the damage happens silently. Early warning signs can include more frequent urination at night, swelling in the legs, or fatigue that feels constant. The encouraging news is that simple daily steps can protect your kidneys even if you already have diabetes. Eating balanced meals with vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains stabilizes sugar. Gentle exercise like walking improves insulin use. Regular blood sugar checks keep you aware and in control. And of course, following your doctor's advice is key. Every effort you make to control blood sugar gives your kidneys relief. Ignoring diabetes allows damage to grow, but caring for it keeps your kidneys strong and supports a healthier, more energetic life. Your kidneys are small but powerful organs that work every day to keep you alive and strong. As you just learned, simple daily habits, not drinking enough water, eating too much salt or sugar, ignoring sleep, blood pressure, or diabetes, all add silent stress. Over time, these habits wear down your kidneys without warning. The good news is that it's never too late to change. Even small improvements today bring relief to your kidneys tomorrow. Each step, whether drinking more water, lowering salt, resting better, or checking blood sugar, adds up to better energy, fewer risks, and more peace of mind. To stay on a healthy routine and never miss future guidance, check the link in the description and pinned comment. You'll find thevidatrack.com with complete diet plans and our YouTube membership where thousands of seniors feel more supported every day. Always remember to consult your doctor before making changes because your body is unique and deserves personal care. You are stronger than you think, and your kidneys can thank you with better health when you give them the care they deserve.